MLH1 and MSH2 proofread DNA, which these ones are kind of great interest, as proofreading, like the proofreading process, appears to potentially bring the bad gene out of retirement, changing the functional copy back to the original. And this might mean we need to actually repair the repair mechanisms themselves if we want gene repairs to exist long term. Like the gene that's responsible for creating MLH1 and MSH2, that might need to be repaired before we even go to the actual gene loci that we need to fix. It's very complicated. Geneticists, God bless.